Hello everyone, and welcome back to Speed English. Let me ask you something. What if improving your English didn't require hours of study every day? What if just 5 minutes a day could make a real difference over the next few months? Many people think they need a lot of free time to learn English. They say, "I'm too busy," or "I'll start later." But the truth is that success in English is not about studying for long hours. It's about being consistent. In today's video, you'll learn how 5 minutes of daily practice can help you become a more confident English speaker. I'll also share a simple 5-minute routine that you can start today. Let's begin. Imagine two students. One studies English for 3 hours on Sunday and then stops for the rest of the week. The other practices for just 5 minutes every day. Who improves faster? In many cases, the second student does. Daily practice helps your brain use English regularly. Small actions repeated every day create big results over time. Think about brushing your teeth. It only takes a few minutes, but doing it every day keeps them healthy. English learning works the same way. Now let's look at a simple 5-minute routine. Minute 1. Speak out loud. Don't just read silently. Speak English. Talk about your day, your plans, or what you see around you. For example, "I'm sitting in my room. Today is a beautiful day. I want to improve my English." Simple sentences are enough. The important thing is speaking. Minute 2. Learn one new word. Don't learn 10 words. Learn one useful word. For example, confident. Create a sentence. "I want to be more confident when I speak English." One word a day can become more than 300 words in a year. Minute 3. Listen to English. Listen to a short video, podcast, or conversation. Even 1 minute of listening helps your brain become familiar with natural English. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Focus on the main idea. Minute 4. Repeat what you hear. Listen to a short sentence and repeat it immediately. Try to copy the pronunciation and rhythm. This method is called shadowing, and it is one of the fastest ways to improve speaking skills. Minute 5. Think in English. Ask yourself simple questions. What am I doing now? What will I do tomorrow? What do I want to eat? Then answer them in English. At first, it feels difficult, but it becomes easier with practice. Now here's something important. Many learners think they need perfect grammar before they can speak confidently. That's not true. You learn to speak by speaking. Every conversation and every mistake helps you improve. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is progress. Imagine practicing English for 5 minutes every day for a year. That's more than 30 hours of practice. Many people never complete those hours because they're always waiting for the perfect time to start. Don't wait. Start with the 5 minutes you have today. Successful English learners are not always the smartest people. They are often the most consistent. They practice every day, even when they don't feel motivated. That's why they improve. So here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, practice English for just 5 minutes every day. No excuses. No skipping, just 5 minutes. By the end of the week, English will already feel a little easier and more natural. And if you continue for a month, you'll be surprised by your progress. Thank you for watching Speed English. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. And in the comments below, write, I will practice English for 5 minutes every day. Let's build this habit together. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. This is Speed English, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, and have a fantastic day.